Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Today I worked on that Toro recycler and I sold my black Craftsman 7 horsepower Platinum that I got from George for $180. And so I went over to Harborfreight Tools, got myself some stuff. My multimeter has seen better days, you know. I had to tape this up, so I bought something, and with a coupon you get another new one for free. Got some electrical tape, $5.99 for like a year's supply, you know. Got a circuit tester for like $1.99. I mean, super cheap, you know. Some work gloves, Hardy's, and some other stuff. I have to do brakes on my wife's Mercedes. Oh, so you guys know my winching system just doesn't really work well. Where is it? There. So the winching system, it worked pretty well in my pickup truck, but on the van it's too short of a beam, so I can't really hook it anywhere conveniently, you know. And when I tried to use this a couple of times, I think to get this one over here, it was so heavy that that axle there that holds the reel of the rope, it started twisting and bending. So I said, you know what, I gotta go get myself a winch. So I went to Harborfreight Tools. I got myself a Badland winch, 2,500 pound capacity ATV utility winch. This was $69.99, okay? And with a 20% coupon, which you can get on their app, just download a Harborfreight Tools app and there'll be a 20% coupon, you know what I'm saying? So this ended up to be $55. Has a remote control. As a matter of fact, it's the only way to operate this thing. There's no switch on here. So if you lose your remote control, you're SOL. Item number 61840. Like I said, it was $69.99. With the coupon, it was $55. Pretty nice. It also came with, you know, the front guide. I mean, if I had this mounted on something like a tractor or something like that, this would go like something like that, so that it would be left and right, up and down, you know, you wouldn't be scraping any part of your it keeps it in place, a guide. Anyway, so installing it was the biggest issue. All right, check it out, check it out, check it out. I thought it would be a pain in the butt, but it really wasn't bad at all. I drilled 2 holes through the plywood, through the bed of the van. I went underneath with a creeper to make sure that I wasn't drilling holes into a gas tank or fuel lines or something like that. So it's solid, man. I mean, it won't budge at all. You know, pretty heavy duty, you know. I had it wired to this junction box, which I had screwed into the ground. And instead of me having the wires go all the way to the front of the car battery, I just basically had this extra battery here. It doesn't hold a charge fantastic, but you know, before I know I'm going to go get a tractor and use this thing, I'll just charge it up overnight. And it does, with a multimeter, it does show 12.4, 12.3, you know, it doesn't keep it for long, but you know, it's good enough to for one trip, you know what I'm saying? And I have that portable thing where I could just, you know, jump that too, you know. So I've got brackets on there that hold the battery down in the corner like that, you know. And this is you know, it's all self-contained into one area, you know what I'm saying? So you know how you work this thing is, like I said, it's just the remote control, okay? So you hold it like this, okay? So there's an on and off button, and it says you hold the on and off button for 3 seconds. Now the LED light goes on, alright? So now all you got to do is extend, okay? How about that? I can't hold this. Alright, so here. So the signal, they say, go up to 25 feet away. So look at this rope, man. This wire, it's going all the way back. And there's still more to go. Is that 50 feet of wire, I guess? That's pretty badass. Oh, it is called Badass. No, it's called Badlands, right? Anyway, so that's the extend, all right? So I would put the ramps down, hook the hook to the tractor, and then I would just retract. You know what? I don't know. I think it has to be under some kind of pressure so it doesn't coil funny. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, something's up with that. Hold on. So yeah, you have to have it under some kind of load because you know, it'll get all coiled up there. You know. Yeah, this is awesome, man. I should have gotten this a long time ago. Can you believe I was cranking with my arm and stuff and loading that damn thing, you know? Man, this is holding my weight, man. And there it is. Very cool. Isn't that very cool? And to shut it off, you just press the on and off button for 3 seconds. And it goes off. And I just, I guess I could just hook this to my key, but I wouldn't want to lose it, so I'd probably keep this like back here somewhere, you know? Find a little holder or bag or something like that. But yeah, man, so that's my winching system for my van. I've actually always wanted to have something like this, but I just, you know, never got around to it. But, you know, it's definitely worth it. So, so far so good. It seems to work very well. I'm going with my friend. Well, actually, he was going to go with me on Wednesday, but now he's not going because I have to do it on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So I'm headed to New Jersey tomorrow to pick up a tractor, and I'll tell you all about it tomorrow. But anyway, this is my winch for my van, and I paid $55 plus tax with it at Harborfreight Tools. It's the Badland winches, 2500 ATV utility winch. Easy to install, easy to get it going, easy to operate. As long as you don't lose your, you know, remote control, you're good to go. And we will test this tomorrow when I pick up a tractor. Anyway, see you guys next time on... That's right, mowers and blowers! I feel great about the winch. I always wanted an electric winch. It's a lot easier than cranking with your arm, for sure. Follow me on Instagram, guys, @mowersblowers.